Matt Boyne up in Boyne, Nazarene University. I teach management classes primarily in ethics and operations to undergrads and MBAs. The approach I would like to go through in our workshop, and I've had a lot of enjoyment both learning how to do it and in practice, is a combination of traditional team-based learning process flow preceded by contemplative or reflective pedagogy. Contemplative reflective pedagogy is an opportunity to read and focus deeply and then write deeply on a specific topic connected to a learning objective. The reason I went in this direction is during the 2 years of COVID, as my classes shifted rapidly from on-site to fully online to a Zoom synchronous, then asynchronous, then hybrid, then back to synchronous sort of approach. I was wrestling with how to reduce the distraction for students, how to get them focused, because they simply weren't showing up for class prepared. In a regular class, I could manage that. So I went to this process flow, old school, based on reflective pedagogy. And what that looked at was, hey, let's take a minute, or actually it was about 15 to 20 minutes. I would take readings, a page or two from the text, connected to a key learning objective, 3 or 4 key learning objectives per class, and say, here are 3 or 4 key learning objectives. Here's the page where you will find this material. I would read the material slowly and say, here's something, let's reflect on this for a moment. Here's a key term. Here's how it connects to the learning objective. What does it mean to you? How will you use it in practice? So after we would go through a page or two of material to that learning objective, I would turn it over to the individuals and ask them to read and reflect slowly, writing their experiences, their connections, their ruminations out and say, here's how it will work for me and fits with me. So once we got the first 20, 30 minutes out of the way for an hour and 15-minute class, we would go into the traditional team-based learning flow. And I found myself far more engaged with the content rather than the process of getting the students into the material. It reduced their distraction, test scores went up. We do at Boyne, Nazarene, we do standardized assessments for midterms and finals as in some comparison over a large data pool, saw progress there. So this reflective contemplative pedagogy combined with team-based learning reduced that distracted effort. Thanks, I hope you enjoy going to the workshop as much as I've enjoyed applying these tools inside class. Have a great day.